We live in an infinite quantum field of potential. And that means that any possibility that you can think of or you can imagine already exists as a quantum potential. Every manifestation, everything you desire, everything you think about already exists as a quantum potential, even infinite quantum field of potential. And that's why it's so important to understand that there's such a big connection between the attraction, law of assumption, manifestation in general, and spirituality, and actually quantum physics. Because quantum physics literally confirms that we are the creators of our realities, and that we create our realities through our energy, and that's through our vibrational frequency. Nikola Tesla said that in order to understand the universe, we need to think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration, and it is 100% true. And you cannot ignore this universal principle when manifesting. You cannot ignore the fact that everything in this universe is made out of energy. And this energy vibrates on certain frequencies. So you cannot gloss over this fact, because this fact is the most fundamental principle of creating reality. Everything is energy in this universe, and that's why the law of attraction and the law of vibration are so important. And that's why in order to manifest, you need to align your energy with the energy of your manifestation. There is just no other option. If you want to manifest something first, you have to embody it inside you. You have to embody it on a vibrational level. You have to embody it on an inner level. And then once you align your energy with your desired manifestation, then you get your manifestation. But you see, it never works in reverse. Like, it just never works in reverse. It doesn't work by you trying to force things in the 3D reality. It doesn't work by you trying to push things in the 3D reality. No, it's more about you realizing that you create from within, that you create your reality from within, that a 3D reality is just a reflection of what's going on inside you. 3D reality is just a reflection of your energy and your beliefs and your self-concept. And when you get those in order, your 3D reality just follows, because it is just a giant mirror. And in order to shift this mirror, in order to change this reflection, you have to change yourself, you have to change your inner world, you have to change your energy. Because when you change your energy, you truly change your life, because everything that currently surrounds you is just a reflection of your current energy. It's a reflection of your current energetic state. It's a reflection of your current frequency. And the moment you elevate your frequency, the moment you elevate your state of being, is you align with a whole new reality, you align with a whole new timeline. And there are such infinite, abundant timelines available to you the moment you raise your frequency and you align your energy with this higher timelines. Because it's very hard to align with the highest timelines when you all the time dwell in lack and limitation and negativity. And you just, you align with this like lower timelines, and that's okay. Like, nobody's blaming you for feeling what you're feeling, but also you have to find a way to start elevating your state of being. Because if you want to get your manifestations, then you have to act, feel, and think like the person who already has these manifestations, who is already enjoying these manifestations. That's why everyone is always telling you to live in the yang and assume the state of your wish, fulfill and act as you already have it. These are actually very important components of manifestation process, because they allow you to alter your energy. They allow you to connect your energy with the energy of the reality you want to experience. Because you start embodying this reality inside you, and by embodying it inside you, you become the energy of this reality, and that you get this reality. Your 3D reality has to confirm your inner state of being. But it never works in reverse. It never works by wanting this reality. It never works by you desiring this reality. It's about who you are. It's about you being your highest self, your highest version, who is already in this reality. Because you never attract what you want. You always attract what you are vibrational match to. So you can want this and want that, and want to manifest this and want to manifest that. But wanting won't get you far. You have to become it in order to manifest it. You have to become it on an energetic level in order to manifest it. And it's not an easy principle to grasp, but it's a principle worth mastering, because when you master this principle, you essentially master the creation of your entire reality, and you no longer allow your reality to happen to you, and you no longer allow yourself to create your reality by default. Instead, you turn into the conscious creator of your reality, and you started creating your reality by design. You started commanding your reality. You started designing your reality. And all of these manifestations you want, you can just like bring them into fruition in your 3D reality so much quicker, because you have this energetic foundation that invites these things to show up in your physical reality. So let's say you want to manifest abundance. Let's say you want to manifest more money. But at the same time, you're full of limiting beliefs about money. You're full of this like lack and limitation mindset, and you think that money just like doesn't come easily. You have to work very hard to get money. You have to do this, you have to do that, and even if you do, it's like you never have enough money because money is so hard to get. But at the same time, you have this like, I want to manifest this specific amount of money, and you do all of these manifestations techniques that are about to bring you this amount of money. But do you have the foundation? Do you have the energetic foundation to create this money in your life when your subconscious mind and your entire self, your entire inner self is full of this negativity toward money? Then it's just impossible for you to create this amount of money, because you're essentially creating all of this resistance toward money that is preventing money from coming to you, because money is an unlimited source. Money is energy, and once you realize that, and once you change your beliefs around money, money just starts coming to you, because you start becoming magnet for money, because you start becoming a vibrational energetic match for money. So in order to have abundance, you have to become abundance. You have to become abundance on an inner level, and you have to become abundance of money. You have to become abundance of love. You have to become abundance of happiness to get these things in your reality. Or let's say you want to manifest love, but at the same time you have like so many limiting beliefs about love and being in a relationship, and you don't even love yourself and don't acknowledge yourself, and you're full of all of these limiting beliefs that are creating emotions, that are creating your energy. And at the same time, like, you want to use a manifestation technique to manifest love in your life. Like, do you think you can manifest love if you are not love? Then you are not a match to love. You are not aligned with love. So how can you manifest love if you're not aligned with love? You have to become love inside on every level in order to manifest love on the outside. And when you become love inside, love on the outside comes to you in many different forms. So it always starts inside you. It always starts with your energy. You cannot avoid this principle. This is the universal principles. Energy is everything in this universe. Energy is the currency of this universe. And this principle is always working, whether you're aware of it or not. It's always working. You're always broadcasting some form of the energy into the universe. But if you're not conscious of what's going on inside you, then you're broadcasting this energy by default, and you're broadcasting this energy unconsciously. But it's much better for you to just raise your awareness and expand your awareness and become aware of the fact that you're the creator of your reality, and you can shift your reality in whatever direction you want to shift your reality in, because that's how powerful you are. So remember that in order to manifest quickly, in order to manifest effortlessly, and in order to grasp the essence of every manifestation process, it's just you have to become the energy you want to attract. You have to become the energy you want to attract in order to align with your desired reality. Because your desired reality, your reality where you have your manifestations, your reality where you have your abundance, your reality when you have love, when you have joy, when you have happiness, like the moment you think about this reality already exists as a quantum potential in the infinite quantum field of potential. Because your attention creates possibilities in the infinite quantum field of potential. The moment you think about something, it already exists on a non-physical level, but it exists on a different frequency. It exists in a different reality. And all you have to do is align yourself energetically with this reality in order to get it. And you align yourself energetically by becoming the person who's already experiencing your desired outcome, by living in the state of your wish fulfilled, by living in the end, by embodying the feelings and thoughts and beliefs that having your manifestation would give you, by acting as if you already have it. Because then your energy is not in a state of lack, it's not in a state of limitation. Your energy is in a state of possession. Your energy is in a state of abundance. Your energy is in a state of I have it, I am already this. And then your 3D reality starts to confirm that. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope that right now you understand what does it mean to become the energy you want to attract, and why everything is energy in the universe, and why you create your reality through the energetic alignment with the reality you want to experience. And in order to manifest anything, you have to align with it first energetically. And when you grasp this principle, this most important principle when it comes to the conscious creation of your entire reality, you really can transform your entire life. You can create anything you want in your life. You can create for yourself any type of reality you want. But you have to remember that the creation always starts inside you. So take care of your energy, take care of your frequency, take care of your vibration, because this energy, this is the foundation of your entire life. This is the foundation of your entire reality. So the more aligned your energy, the higher your energy, the better your energy, the better your overall reality. And the moment you raise your energy, like, you tune into so many different new exciting possibilities, because you are in a vibrational alignment with these possibilities. You are in vibrational alignment with the synchronicities. Like, these synchronicities cannot happen if you dwell in like lack and limitation. No, these synchronicities and these magnificent circumstances come to you when you become a vibrational match to them. So start acknowledging your energy and start realizing how important your energy is, because your energy creates your reality. And the moment you shift your energy, the moment you transform your energy, you basically transform your entire reality in a positive direction. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.